Hi friends, welcome to Konexio Technical Insight. I'm Rahul Randeria and I will be conducting today's show. Today we will be discussing regarding the trends, the setups, the technical indicators, the candlestick patterns, the derivative data of Nifty, Bank Nifty, as well as the different asset classes. Now, first of all, a general disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Just consult your financial advisor before investing and trading. Now, before starting, let us discuss what we have mentioned in our last video. In our last video, we have mentioned that the overall trend of the markets is positive, but some sort of exhaustion was seen at its 52-week high, or we can call it as a lifetime high also. But the volumes were lagging. Markets were going higher, but the volume support was lagging. So we had a view that any dips should be used as a buying opportunity. So last week was a highly volatile trading week. We saw huge seesaws, high volatility into the day trading also. We saw a dip correction and then again a sharp pullback rally on intraday basis also, specifically on Friday. Today was also 2 hour trading session, so market was I mean to say on Saturday market was flat. So overall, if we look at to the chart setup, we will see on the screen in some time that the momentum and the indicators, everything is positive. So let us go to the daily charts of the Nifty. We'll try to figure out the chart pattern and we'll try to analyze what could be the trend for the next week. So let us go to the Nifty daily charts. So now on the Nifty daily charts, you will see on the screen. Now this is the expanding triangle which we have been discussing since last couple of months. You can clearly see this. It has been Nifty has been hovering in this particular expanding channel or expanding triangle. So the potential of Nifty target on the upside is almost coming around say 22,800 to maybe 23,000 in maybe one or 2 months. So definitely the overall momentum seems to be quite positive. Now here let me stretch the RSI. You can see the RSI is also positive from the comfortable zone. So on the indicator front also, there is no negativeness, at least at this juncture. Yes, on Friday we have seen a sharp pullback rally, and on Saturday it was a very flat day. So let me go to the weekly charts. Now this is the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, we have seen that it has formed a hammer pattern. It was a green. So definitely the momentum seems to be quite positive at this juncture. So looking at the price setup, the technical patterns, the indicators, it is clearly indicating that the momentum is quite positive and Nifty has potential to scale higher levels from this juncture. So purely on technical basis, any dips should be used as a buying opportunity, should be the strategy for the next week. And one more thing, next week is a truncated week. Friday we are having a trading holiday. So we are having trading from Monday to Thursday itself. So in truncated week, we might see volatility coming into into the picture, but the overall momentum seems to be positive. So as I said, any dips should be used as a buying opportunity. So now, friends, let us discuss the crucial supports and resistance level in Nifty for the next week. First support in the Nifty is around 22,229. Below that, the second support is around 22,047. And below that, the third support is around 21,875. On the upside, the first resistance is around 22,558. Second resistance is around 22,697. And third resistance is around 22,837. These are the important supports and resistance level in Nifty for the next week. Traders should just try to watch out these levels and trade accordingly in the direction of the primary trend. And the primary trend is positive. Now, friends, let us go to the option analysis of Nifty calls. You will see on the screen in Nifty calls, the action was seen in 22,400 calls, 22,500, 22,600, and 22,700 calls, and up to certain level 22,800 calls also, because there is strong open interest as well as strong volume concentration. Now the implied volatility is in comfort zone. It is between 12.28 and 13.68. The option premiums are flat to positive. Volumes are also rising. Open interest is also strong. So definitely, there is, as of now, there is no call writing seen at this juncture. So overall, Nifty call data seems to be quite positive. So nothing to worry about it. So immediate basis 22,400 could act as an immediate resistance. If Nifty sustains and closes above those levels, then there are chances that Nifty might rally towards the level of 22,700 to 22,800 in the coming trading sessions. Now, friends, let us come to the Nifty put data. In Nifty put, you can see the action was seen in 22,300 puts, then 22,200 puts, 22,100 puts, and 22,000 puts. Now here you can see there was a slight drop in the option premium. Implied volatility is in slightly higher. It is between 13.42 and 15.54. There has been a rise in the volumes. Open interest is also rising. There is no shedding at all. There is writing a slight option writing seen in looking at the option a drop in the option premium. So on immediate basis, 22,300 could act as an immediate support. If Nifty breaks and closes below those levels, then we might see a slight cool off towards the level of 22,200 or between 22,200 to 22,150 mark. But if that happens, then that should be used as a buying opportunity. So definitely, looking at the overall charts and derivative data, the strategy should be buy on dips at least for the next week. Now, friends, let us come to the Bank Nifty daily charts. Now, here you can see in on the Bank Nifty daily charts, we have been discussing regarding this particular channel. On Friday, we have seen the breakout of this channel. On Saturday, it has comfortably traded flat above this channel. This is the daily charts. It has given a breakout. Let me stretch the RSI. You can see RSI is also with positive signals from the comfortable zone. So definitely Bank Nifty is quite positive at this juncture, and it has potential to test the levels of maybe 48,500 to 49,000 in the coming trading sessions. So maybe 8 to 10 trading sessions, we might see Bank Nifty testing those levels, those higher levels. But as I said, on Friday we have seen a sharp shoot up or a sharp short covering bounce. So any pullback should be used as a buying opportunity, and pullback cannot be ruled out. So now let me go to the Bank Nifty weekly charts. Now here also on the weekly charts, you can clearly see Bank Nifty has formed a hammer formation with a lower wick. So hammer formation with a lower wick, it is clearly indicating that there is a strong buying support coming in at the lower levels. So if there is a cool off, maybe of 400, 500 points in Bank Nifty next week, that should be used as a buying opportunity. So overall, chart seems to be positive. The pattern seems to be positive. We have seen a breakout of this particular channel. So I am taking a conservative target of Bank Nifty around 48,500 to 49,000 in the next 8 to 10 trading sessions. So friends, now let us discuss the important supports and resistance level in Bank Nifty for the next week. The first support in the Bank Nifty is placed around 46,800 mark. Below that, the second support is placed at 46,329, and third support is placed around 46,120. Whereas on the upside, the first resistance is around 47,726, second resistance is around 48,021, and third resistance is around 48,318. These are the crucial supports and resistance level in Bank Nifty. Traders should just watch out this level. Looking at the charts, as I said, next week is a truncated week. A dip cannot be ruled out, but that dip should be used as a buying opportunity. So now, friends, let us discuss the derivative data of Bank Nifty options calls. So Bank Nifty calls. In Bank Nifty, the action was seen in 47,500 calls, 48,000 calls, and 48,500 calls. Now here also you can see rise in the volumes, rise in the open interest. There has been a slight weakness in the option premium. The implied volatility is slightly higher. It is between 17.93 and 20. Next week, or if there is a positive gap up or slightly positive gap up opening, then we might see some sort of uh, IV boost up or shoot up of IV, and that will bring in some sort of selling pressure, or that will invite the option writers in Bank Nifty calls. So on immediate basis, 47,500 could act as an immediate resistance. If there is no cool off, and if prices sustains above 47,500, then there are chances that Bank Nifty might see the extension of rally towards 48,000 mark. But looking at the charts, we feel that a cool off cannot be ruled out. So I am putting some sort of caution. I'm not saying that it would be a sharp sell off or something like that. But yes, some cool off cannot be ruled off. Looking at the implied volatility, specifically implied volatility, because you can clearly see the option premiums are higher. So higher the option premium, it will invite the option writer to come and short this Bank Nifty out of the money calls. So this is some sort of a danger, or some sort of a hint that we might see some sort of cool off coming in Bank Nifty, maybe for Monday or Tuesday. So, but that cool off should be used as a buying opportunity. Now, friends, let us come to the Bank Nifty put data. In Bank Nifty puts, you can see the action was seen in 47,000 puts, 46,500 puts, and 46,000 puts. Now here you can clearly see there was drop in the option premium. That means smart money is already into writing the out of the money calls or at the money calls also. You can see the rise in the open interest, but there is a slight shedding in 46,500 puts. So definitely, if there is a cool off, we might see support coming in maybe around 47,000 mark. If that is if that is broken and close below that, then we might see Bank Nifty slightly drifting towards 46,000, between 46,700 to 46,500. But I feel that should be used as a buying opportunity. Now here, the implied volatility is already into danger zone. It is between 18.16 and 21.82. But here the option premium is clearly signifying that there is a strong support in the markets at the lower levels, but a cool off cannot be ruled out at this juncture. So overall, looking at the charts and derivative data of Nifty and Bank Nifty, the strategy which I would like to suggest is buy on dips. Any dips should be used as a buying opportunity. Next week is a truncated week, and a cool off cannot be ruled out. So friends, now let us come to the final segment of our show, which is positional call, or a stock which can give decent return from these levels. I've identified one stock. The name of the stock is Crompton. Now this is the daily charts of Crompton Greaves. Now you can clearly see it is forming a triangular formation. It is yet to give a breakout. It is quite distance from this particular juncture. Currently, the stock is quoting around 301. The stock has potential to test the level of 330, which is the breakout point. But at this juncture, you can clearly see the RSI is showing some sort of positive divergence where prices were making lower tops. RSI was making higher tops. It is a classical example of a positive divergence at this juncture. Now let me stretch the RSI. RSI is, you can clearly see it is with positive signals in the comfortable zone. Now stock has taken a support around this particular support trend line. From there, it has taken a bounce. You can see the volume activity also is rising. It has broken this congestion range. Let me draw this horizontal line so we can clearly see this congestion range. You can see this particular congestion range of whose breakout is around 297. So definitely the stock might uh, see some sort of cool off, but that should be used, or that should be taken as opportunity to accumulate at the lower levels. Now looking at this particular setup, we feel that stock has potential to test the level of 313 short to medium term. So Currently, the stock is quoting around 301 mark. Any dips should be used as a buying opportunity, uh, or one can buy in the range of 301 to 295 for an upside target of 330 in short to medium term. Short to medium term means maybe for next 2 to 3 months. The stock is slow mover, but we don't know. This might give a surprise rally in the coming trading sessions also. So once one the short term investors, positional traders, swing traders, long term investors can accumulate on dips or at current market price, which is 300 to 295 for an upside target of 330 in coming months. So, friends, thank you very much for watching the show. Let us conclude the show. Uh, any suggestion you can give in comment box, and have a nice trading week. Thank you.